I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero on your Xbox Series S. It's important to know that playing classic Guitar Hero titles and using their original controllers on a modern console like the Series S presents some unique challenges. We will focus on how to navigate these and find the best way to enjoy rhythm gaming. Get ready to discover the current options available to rock out on your console. Unfortunately, your old Xbox 360 Guitar Hero controllers will not directly connect to the Xbox Series S. These older peripherals require specific adapters that are often hard to find or not fully supported. Instead, look for newer wireless guitar controllers built for the current generation. For example, the PDP Riffmaster, released in spring 2024, and the CRKD Gibson Les Paul controllers are designed for Xbox Series X and S, offering seamless connectivity and an authentic playing experience. Since the Xbox Series S does not have a disk drive, you cannot play physical Xbox 360 Guitar Hero game discs. Furthermore, many classic Guitar Hero titles are not available digitally due to complex music licensing agreements. However, you can still enjoy rhythm gaming with titles like Rock Band 4, which is fully compatible and supports guitar controllers. Fortnite Festival also offers guitar controller support, providing a fresh way to shred on your console. Once you have a compatible guitar controller, connecting it to your Xbox Series S is straightforward, typically involving a simple wireless pairing process. After your controller is connected, launch your preferred rhythm game from the Xbox dashboard. Most rhythm games include a calibration option in their settings. Take a few moments to calibrate your guitar controller for optimal audio and video synchronization, ensuring your notes register perfectly and you hit every strum with precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.